Margarita, please.
How about the gentleman?
Same.
Ladies drink, sir?
Scotch for the gentleman.
Scotch.
On the rack, sir?
Yes, scotch on the rocks. Aba, pinagloloko mo ba ako? Bakit mo ako painimin ng bato? Papatay mo ba ako?
Eh, sir, yellow ho yun eh.
Nako, iho mio! Ang English ng yellow ay ice.
Scotch on the ice.
So you give me scotch on the ice.
Hindi yun.
No. Let it be. Move it.
Sir, bago yun ah.
Anytime, iho. Sige na.
Okay.
Am I right, ladies and gentlemen?
Right.
Right.
Yes.
Right. Right.